Hello and welcome. If you have watched my videos, you know that Python is my favorite programming language. With the development of AI and machine learning, this language is becoming even more popular. However, there are more than 500,000 Python packages. Which one should you learn? In this video, I will share with you all Python libraries and frameworks that you must know if you want to build a career in machine learning and data science. I will group these libraries into different toolkits so that you can understand how they are related to each other. So without further ado, let's dive in. I truly believe that mastering fundamentals is key to success in any endeavor. Learning machine learning and data science is no exception. There are 4 basic libraries that you must master. The first one is Numpy. Numpy is a library that provides multi-dimensional array objects and it can perform fast operations on a large amount of data. Without Numpy, your life could be very slow. The reason why Numpy is so fast compared to a Python list is, first, it contains variables of the same type, and these variables are contiguous. That means they are stored in the same memory location. On the other hand, Python lists can store variables of different types, and these variables scatter everywhere in memory, so it usually takes longer to gather this information compared to using a NumPy array. And secondly, NumPy is implemented in C, so most of the code is executed in C, which is a much faster execution compared to Python. The second library is Pandas. Pandas is built on top of NumPy, so it inherits the processing speed of NumPy. It's a great library for data preprocessing. When I took a machine learning course last semester, my professor said about 60 to 90% of the time when you work with machine learning is cleaning data. Pandas can help you get the job done. So it's a great library for data cleaning, data merging, and handling missing data. A part of doing machine learning and data science projects is visualizing your results. If you want to visualize your result using graphs and charts, Matplotlib is a great option. It's a comprehensive library that allows you to create static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. So Matplotlib makes data science so much more fun because you can see how your code is actually working. Another library I saw many people promote is Scikit-learn. So this library is built on top of Matplotlib. From my observations, Scikit-learn graph looks slightly better compared to Matplotlib, but I haven't used this library before, so I don't know how good it actually is. So if you have used it, it would be nice if you can leave a comment down below and share your experience. And the most important library in this toolkit is Scikit-learn. This library is built on top of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. It offers all of the basic machine learning algorithms such as classification algorithms, where you can classify if an email is spam or not spam, regression algorithms, where you can use to predict the price of your house for next year, and clustering algorithms, where you can cluster or group related data points together. Knowing Scikit-learn is a must if you want to land a job in data science and machine learning. So next up, we have the deep learning tools. So deep learning is a special type of machine learning that is inspired from how our human brain works. So it uses an artificial neural network to extract more features from the data. So deep learning is used in many applications such as image recognition or language processing. There are 2 deep learning tools that you need to know: Pytorch, designed by Meta AI, and Tensorflow, designed by Google Brain. These tools offer various features that allow you to build amazing machine learning models from scratch. They also offer communities such as Pytorch Hub or TensorFlow Hub, where you can search for pre-trained models. These communities are gold mines for AI developers. Pytorch is more research-focused, while TensorFlow is more popular among industry projects. But when you first start, it doesn't matter what tool you learn, you can always pick the other one relatively fast. If you're a beginner, my recommendation is Pytorch because it's more beginner-friendly. There are 2 main specializations for deep learning: computer vision and natural language processing, or NLP. Computer vision is a deep learning field focusing on processing digital images, while NLP focuses on giving the computer the ability to manipulate human languages. Each field requires knowledge from additional tools. For computer vision, you will need to know OpenCV. So OpenCV allows you to process images and videos with ease. It has more than 2,500 algorithms implemented, so you can use it in the majority of computer vision projects. An example use case of OpenCV is background subtraction, which requires you to extract the main objects in the image. You can easily read in the image using OpenCV, call the background subtraction API, and save the foreground. For NLP, I saw a lot of people recommend using SpaCy. It's a library for advanced natural language processing. Personally, I haven't used the tool before, so I cannot give you solid advice. If you have used the tool before, feel free to leave a comment down below and share your experience. I really appreciate it. Now, let's say you have built an amazing model and you want to show it to the world. You need to deploy it on the internet. Flask can help you get the job done. Flask is a micrograph framework written for Python developers. There's another framework called Django, but I still prefer using Flask for machine learning projects. The reason being Flask doesn't require database layer setup for deployment. For a machine learning and data science project, your model is the actual backend. You can easily set up several endpoints with Flask, and the model will take care of the rest. But Flask only helps you deploy your model in your local machine. If you want other people to use your model, you will need some knowledge in cloud services like AWS. Cloud services allow you to host websites publicly on the internet. I will make some videos about cloud services in the future, so subscribe so that you don't miss it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. That supports the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.